Feels like I just took it. Hello, give us a little spin. Woo woo. You guys, I'm going home. What's up? Don't ask me why I have this much energy at 3 a.m. because I'm not even kidding. It's 3 a.m. I'm leaving my house in 30 minutes just because you never know with the Austin airport. Sometimes it's busy, sometimes it's not. And I'm taking a bunch of stuff back because if you know me, I buy stuff everywhere I go. I'm an overpacker. And so we're taking this huge duffel bag, this huge suitcase, and then my backpack, which is out there. Matcha was so good last night. He slept the whole night. He's literally great. This haircut was definitely worth it. This toothpaste is on its last life. When I was 18 years old, I moved out of my parents' house into my own, one that I purchased when I moved to college as an investment. So for a year, I lived by myself. So we're going back to that. I just came to Texas for 2 months to be with my family for the summer. I really miss my routine in Idaho though. I'd be lying if I said I didn't. And so that's why I'm really excited this early in the morning. I've missed my home so much. And yes, that is my new home. Best part about this bag, you can literally carry it as if you're hiking. So once it's zipped up, there are these 2 straps and voila, now you can just carry it on your back for easy access. Okay, I just got home and have been unpacking for the past hour. Dang, I brought a lot of stuff back. I'm glad that I did all of it because now I feel like I can reward myself by finally opening up all of these boxes that have accumulated at my front door. Lavender massage oil. Ooh! You're joking. Eyeshadow sticks and some gel eyeliner. I'm gonna have so much fun with this. My favorite perfume. You have to get this perfume. If you don't have it, what are you doing? Lip gloss, mascara, brush eyeliner, and some foundation. Oh, and there's more. These are all lip liners. Perfect, because I literally just ran out of my lip liner. Love, love, love this brand. This one is from L'Occitane, and I'm a sucker for body mist. Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, Strawberry Shortcake. Ooh, how cute is this? Oh my gosh. This is gonna be my new gym bag. Okay, this is a new flavor. Holy cow, they hooked me up with all of the sunscreen, serum, moisturizer, dewy glow jelly cream, some protein bar, Walmart. How cute is this bodysuit? I want to put this on right now. Look at this tennis skirt. White sneakers, clean, simple eats. Love eating healthy, yummy food. Super Greens mix, some collagen powder. These are individual protein powders. Brownie batter, coconut cream, simply vanilla. I'm so excited. This is so weird being in my car again. I don't know how to feel. I've been driving Catherine's Jeep Compass for the longest time. Why does it say loss of pressure, right? So today I need to run some errands because after that whole PR unboxing, I realized that I don't have anywhere to put any of my stuff. So I'm gonna run to maybe Home Goods and see if they have like a little storage thing, kind of put everything in, sort it by category and whatnot. I also need to stop by the Audi store to make sure that my car is okay. Okay, so Discount Tire's closed, so I can't actually check my tire, but we're at TJ Maxx and Home Goods. I ain't even mad. I'm at Noodles and Company right now. I love eating alone. It's been a while since I've eaten alone. I got the Mediterranean salad with chicken, but no tomatoes. Are y'all seeing this?
My dad and Joe used to have matching trucks.
Really? Y'all, this is a Jeep from Vietnam.
Let's see if I even remember how to turn this thing on.
Totally not.
You can like actually see the whole tank.
Holy cow.
Oh, that's like actually insane. And like where the oil is. Like that's all the oil. What? That's crazy.
It's literally so bright in here. How cute are these straws?
That's like 1,000 times better than the strawberry one.
This is good. You don't even need creamer in it.
Delicious.
Morning, guten Morgen. What are we doing? Europe had an effect on me, you guys.
Yeah, what are we doing? Oh, we're gonna go park somewhere. Not at the Ram.
Not at the Ram, because they literally put a sticky note in my car that said, last chance.
Before she get towed.
We're not risking it for the biscuit.
And then we're gonna walk along the Greenbelt to Goldstein's.
I'm literally so excited.
I'm so ready to eat a bagel, bro.
Oh, Goldstein's is my favorite bagel place here. Everybody's told me to try Blue Sky Bagels.
Oh, Blue Sky's amazing.
Is that one good too?
I love it. I think Goldstein's has more, like the aesthetics better inside, and also it has more, I don't know, I like the dough on their bagels better, I'd say.
Yeah.
But I will say Blue Sky is like a Boise staple.
Hey guys. We just parked at the parking garage because I forgot that my parking pass allows me to park here till August 6th. So, dub. Do y'all want to say hi?
Oh yeah. Good. My name's Junior Brown. I'm Matt Wagner. Riker Klinger. Bridger Bivens. I'm Bone Phelps. Me, Ty Benefield.
Sick. Are y'all freshmen? What did you get?
It was like a caprese vegan spread with turkey on it because I'm not vegan and I want protein.
Which
but
bagel?
Everything bagel.
I got an everything bagel with hot honey bacon cream cheese.
Delicious.
So, bagel arrived. This is about to hit so good right now.
Wait, let me get a nice close up. Wait, why is this so? Yeah, you know.
I have to wait for yours. We have to cheers. The river has finally calmed down. We're going this week. We did in fact come to Dick's Sporting Goods just to get Stanley Cups. That color is gorgeous. I kind of want two. This one? Should I do the 30-ounce one though or the 40? I feel like I have a lot of the...
Is this the 40? Oh, this is the 40. Is this? No.
You guys are doing okay?
Yes, we are.
Okay.
Well, do you want it smaller or do you like the bigger?
No, I want the bigger one.
She's pretty. Ooh,
right, let's
I
check
like
out.
the, whoa, wait. I like that clear straw.
All right,
Twinning.
we got our Stanley Cups. Currently at Discount Tire because my tire has a leak. So KK, what's wrong with the tire?
Just 2 punctures in it.
To Discount Tire we went. They said it's gonna be like an hour, 15 minutes. So of course we're going to Walmart and we're going grocery shopping. This is the best bread to ever exist.
Best parfait.
On the download, this was like the best syrup in my opinion. Actually, no, this was the best syrup. Did you ever have Hungry Jack?
No, but I did have Miss Butterworth.
Miss Butterworth is really good too. My curiosity is getting the best of me, so we're getting this Panda Express sauce. I don't know what the difference is.
So good.
I want to try this out. Hey! We are about to go to Ruth Chris Steakhouse and devour some steak. I have been waiting for... Oh!
Sorry.
Yeah, you know I'm already about to get the filet mignon. Oh!
Oh my god. Sorry. So way we both went, whoa!
Was his window down?
Nope.
Oh, that's so awkward.
Yes, maybe it was. Anyways, his windows certainly were not tinted.
Can't take this one anywhere.
Not in public, that's for sure. Hello, give us a little spin. Woo woo, hey yo.
KK got some ice cream. What'd you get?
Cake batter, sheep's milk ice cream.
Okay, so I'm closing out the vlog by us eating this dark chocolate lavender bar thingy that I got. Yeah, enjoy this. We're gonna do a taste test.
Oh my god, the patterning on it is
Ready?
stunning.
Cheers. Oh. Let me make sure it's not nothing here. The hints of lavender are really coming through.
Feels like I just took it out of a
Yeah, like a bite out of a lavender.
lavender bush. It's good though. In a good way. If you can take a bite out of a lavender bush in a good way, that's what it was like.
Oh my god, no, because why is there literally lavender?
It's poking out the side.
Oh, hurry, shoot.
Oh, I'm not sure what.
If you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, don't do anything. I love you guys so much.
Oh,
Have a
yes,
great rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video.